myself Anil Singh, and I work for the Pvt Ltd, which is in the contract manufacturing for the nutraceutical and the personal care right now. Basically, CMPL Connect is a good platform for the connection and the new connection with the big customers actually. So we recommended to everyone to join the CMPL Connect the next time. Thank you very much. So our experience with the CMPL Connect is good, and this is actually good platform to connect with a big supplier, big buyers, and big manufacturer. One of word is good for the connection. Thank you very much.